Hello my artists, you're on my YouTube channel Monoloids School, and today I am going to show you how to create cool stylish sketch. Very important thing that you should prepare a timer for 15 maximum 15 minutes for a sketch, because as much more time you spending, it's more realistic coming, but sketch is following for another idea, for like to show main proportion, main character, and that's it. You don't have to be too realistic. It should just show main personality, the root of the painting. So prepare your timer, prepare your painting. I usually use acrylic paint and just two colors, black and white. If you wanna, you can choose white, for example, and pink, purple, blue, whatever, like two colors. At least we need to show the tones, the volume, and of course couple brushes, water, and let's start, guys.
Okay, let's start. So we are trying to find the main lines in the body. I see that the biggest horizontal line is the shoulder. So by horizontal, with a little bit angle, we're showing where the shoulders are ended. From the verticals, I highlight the profile of the chest and the stomach. And I don't worry to use so many lines. Of course, you can be confused a little bit, so that's why I'm choosing a little bit darker, sometimes to highlight everything what I like. We can see that the chin divides the body into two halves, so you can find the navel very easily and the nipples. Time to cover by paint. Very important, just find the lightest parts and the darkest part. For the darkest we using black, of course. For the lightest, white. Between them it's like gray tones. Between chest I use black colors, under the chest I use black, under the arms of course black too, and I show the relief by black also. Don't forget to work fast, don't turn your head on. You should totally relax and just try to repeat the shape of the body, all the relief, all the tones. The most important is tones. And you can stop anytime. Even now, you can just stop with like this white spot of canvas. It's more than normal for sketches, so that's why I love the technique, because it's already looks cool, even not finished. For this sketch I spent 13 minutes, so I had enough time to cover full body and also background. Background I choose like light gray color, and also I did a little bit of face. By the way, subscribe my channel, because next video I'll show you how to do female body, which is gonna be very interesting too. And done. How you like the result, write to the comments, and see you in next video.